Welcome to our channel. Today topic is English grammar, basic and important words, possessive determiner and possessive pronoun. Possessive determiner are my, your, our, her, their, it, and possessive pronoun are mine, yours, ours, hers, theirs. For example, to understand easily, first my possessive determiner and its possessive pronoun mine. This is my pen and possessive pronoun mine. This pen is mine. Your. This is your pen. Possessive pronoun yours. This pen is yours. Our. Possessive determiner. He is our brother. Possessive pronoun ours. He is a brother of ours. Her. Determiner. Yes, this is her pen. Pronoun hers. Yes, this pen is hers. Determiner their. It's their fault. Pronoun theirs. The fault is theirs. Determiner its. Look at its tail. It's only this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep support me. Thanks for watching.